Let's kick off the trading session. Here we can clearly see a support zone. Let's wait and see how the price unfolds. Hello friends, I'm Mary and I'm a professional trader. I'm here to assist you in navigating the world of trading. It does not matter which country you're from, how much money you earn, how much you know about trading binary options. I am here to help you. I have free Telegram channels, absolutely free, where I post precise signals and where we can trade together. We can collaborate to enhance your earnings. If you're interested, just follow the link in the description. Today, I've prepared an exciting video for you as usual. So remember to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with my latest content. I created this YouTube channel to share my experience with you visually and also because I enjoy it. Just a reminder that I have a free Telegram channels where I directly communicate with my subscribers. I'm always online, so drop me a message to check it out. Join my community, receive signals from me, and trade alongside me. And now sit back, relax, and enjoy the content. Let's kick off the trading session. So our first currency pair that I'd like to grab your attention to is Euro against the British Pound. It looks quite interesting for potential gains. Here we can clearly see a support zone, but there is one thing that bothers me. We're currently seeing accumulation after a significant move, and this accumulation could break out at any moment. In other words, entering a long position right now is risky because the price might drop. So let's not rush right now. Let's wait and see how the price unfolds. We'll figure out what to do based on the next moves. In our situation, there are important zones both above and below. There is a resistance zone above and support zone below, and the price is trading between these zones. I think the price will head towards the upper resistance zone. Let's go for a 3-minute trade with an amount of $300. We can consider entering a long position right now, although I initially wanted to wait for a small pullback before going long, but unfortunately that pullback didn't happen, so we can expect that the price won't retrace back to the support zone, but will go up immediately. Alright, the trade is already open, so let's wait for it to conclude. So the trade is confidently closing in the profit, just as I expected. We've earned $267 from this trade, and overall it's been a good day because even in such challenging situation, the price behaved exactly as I anticipated, moving up towards the resistance zone. Now let's look for other interesting opportunities in different currency pairs. We start with the last one on the list. It is Euro against the British Pound. I have mixed feelings about this one because from this formation, the price could go both up and down. It's better to skip this currency pair. British Pound against the Canadian dollar. Here we have an interesting situation too. If the price doesn't break the support zone right now, we can consider going short and expect a strong bounce from this zone. But this is if the price tries to break this zone and fails. At the same time, there is a possibility that the price might break through and start falling because we have a triangle forming, from which the price can break downward. But you know what? We can take a risk and go long. This zone seems quite strong. Let's prepare the British Pound against the Canadian dollar pair for a long position, as it's a situation where taking a risk might be worth it. If we call this situation a triangle, it would be one of the most unexpected triangles I've ever seen. So I've entered the long position near the support zone and expect the price to go up soon. Now let's wait for the conclusion. By the way, I have opened another trade for $600 here. Why did I do that? Because the price came right to the support zone. If you look at the volatility right now, we have a very weak market with very low volatility. We might not have enough time to profit from the entry level in the first trade, so I decided to play it safe and open another trade at a more favorable level. Well, now let's wait for the conclusion. By the way, something interesting has happened in the USD and Canadian dollar currency pair. Here we have a small downtrend forming, and we also have accumulation. Well, the accumulation range hasn't been broken yet, and the price is at the upper boundary. In general, we can go short here. Alright, let's open the USD and Canadian dollar currency pair. It has a very good payout rate, so let's open a 3-minute short trade. The price will start dropping 100% now. Just watch, I'll add a trend line and you'll understand everything. Look at how strong our overall drop is, and then look at how strong our local drop is. Plus, there is a support zone here that's much lower than the current price. We're currently moving in the channel from the support zone to the trend line. I expect another move towards the support zone. By the way, this is the British pound against the Canadian dollar currency pair. Our first trade for $300 is closing in profit, and we also have an offset trade still active, which should also close in profit in about 15 seconds. So it looks like we'll make around $700 or maybe even $800 from this one trade. From the first trade, we've made about $260 or so, and from the second trade, we'll get $500. Yes, we'll make over $700 from this. I really love the situations where both the main trade and the offset trade work out simultaneously. It's like triple profit from one situation. Alright, with such profit, the USD and Canadian dollar trade doesn't matter anymore. Even if, by some miracle, this trade closes in the negative, it will just slightly reduce my current profit, although I highly doubt this trade will end in a loss. This is the market, and anything can happen in the market, but even if something happens and this trade ends in a loss, consider it offset. Well, let's wait for it to conclude. Well, unexpectedly, but this trade is most likely going to end in a loss. The price broke the descending line. But to not spoil our overall picture and finish the trading session on a high note, we'll open an offset trade for $600 for 5 minutes. Why for 5 minutes? Because the price may still grow a bit before dropping to the support line. Right now, the price has reached the resistance zone from which it previously bounced off, so I believe technical analysis still applies here, and we should go short. Let's wait and see if I was right. There are approximately 15 seconds left in the trade, and our offset trade is showing a confident profit. If we had entered for 3 minutes, we might have ended up with a loss, but with 5 minutes everything is going perfectly. Well, the trade has closed with a profit. Now we can wrap up this trading session. We got 4 profits and 1 loss, but considering the $600 trade as 2 additional profitable trades, it's been a great trading session with unexpectedly significant profit. Thank you all for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Also, make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel where I share accurate signals. If you're interested in collaborating with me, please subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link is provided below the video.